I created this framer component with Claude. It's a text element that has a water or jelly-like effect when you scroll. Depending on how fast you scroll, the text distorts more or less. You can also tweak the settings if you want the text to behave in a specific way. So I generated the prompt with Gemini and then gave it to Claude. I was impressed to see that it built this component on the first try without any errors. As you can see, the code has a TypeScript extension. After generating the code, I copied it from Claude and then went into Framer to paste it. You need to go to Assets, then Add Code, New Code File, New Component, and give it a name. If you want to edit the code, you can left-click on the name. To add the component to your site, just drag and drop it. To modify its settings, left-click on the component, then go to the right panel, scroll down to the settings, and adjust them however you like. You can rename it, for example, I'll call it water, and press enter. I'll change the color to blue and reduce the damping to 1 so it becomes very elastic and the effect is more visible on screen. This way you can create framer components and list them on their marketplace or sell them on a third-party platform like Payhip, Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, or your own website and make some good money. I will leave a link to this framer component in the description of this video in case you want to download it. Like and subscribe.